thing is wicked fast.
Show after show, yeah, we do this every week. If you hating, then you broke, boy, take a seat. And that ain't heat that you be dropping, that be week.
Young boy on the beat.
Alright guys, welcome to True Boys RC. We back at it again with Arrma Limitless, baby. Finally got me another GPS in, man. It was a struggle to get one, but I finally got one. I know I don't have everything set right now, but we finna give it a little pass, man. Welcome back, Limitless. Alright guys, so we're gonna get an Arrma Limitless a couple passes down the street. See what speeds we got. Make sure our GPS working. Alright guys, so I can see 64. We just playing around. Man, this thing is wicked fast. Wicked. Sorry about that. 79 we did on that pass. Couple passes, guys. Couple passes. We are great with that, man. Look at that. Limitless shot, guys. That thing is wicked now. I'm getting bit up by the mosquitoes just to get y'all this, guys. Cars coming galore. Look at that. Beautiful car, man. Arrma Limitless. Get you some of that, baby. CP kill mode, 2900 kV, XLX castle creation, guys. Y'all want to see how I hit off the line? Yeah. I'll tell you guys, no lie, this is one of the funnest cars I ever owned, man. Look at that. And that wasn't even a great pass. Beef. Liking this ground. Arrma Limitless, guys. Get you one! It's just a quick bash with the Arrma Limitless. I know it's a speed car, but y'all know I don't care, bro. Oh yeah, it hit thermal shutdown, guys. We're gonna cruise on in. Arrma Limitless. Get yourself, baby! We got that ground effect on you. Know y'all like that? Look at that. Oh, that's nice.